Well, friends, once again I am here to express our views on the topic matrices. In NCRT chapter 3, matrices and determinants. Friends, what are matrices? What a matrices is a plural form of a matrix, and matrix is a singular form of a matrix. First of all, I want to tell you, friend, what is matrix? What is matrix, friend? Matrix is a rectangular array. Means, friend, matrix is a plural form of a matrix, and matrix is a singular form. And what is matrix? Matrix is a rectangular form. Whenever you will take here rectangular array and you will write elements with two subscripts, means, friend, consider you are taking element 1 with two subscripts, A11, A12, A13, dot so on, A1n, A21, A22, A23, dot so on, A2n. Similarly, you can write here, friend, A31, A32, A33, dot so on, A3n. Similarly, here you can write here AM1, AM2, AM3, dot so on, AMN. Means, friend, one more time I am telling you, what is a matrix? Matrix is a rectangular array in which all elements you will write with two subscripts. Consider I am telling you, friend, this is a rectangular array, and you are writing the element with two subscript here, A11, A12, A13, dot so on, A1n. And here is, friend, A21, A22, A23, dot so on, A2n, A31, A32, A33, dot so on, A3n. And, friend, one more thing I want to tell you. In any matrix, whenever you will denote, elements you should take in small letter, and matrices always you should take in capital letter. Suppose this is a matrix A. Means whenever you will denote any matrix, then you should take only capital letter, and whenever you will take elements, then only small letters. One more time telling you, small letter elements and with two subscripts. Because two script means, friend, anywhere any element given, consider Aij given. Consider this element I am taking. This Aij with two subscript Ij. First number shows that row, means you can say ith row and jth column. Any element you are writing, first number shows that row and second number shows that column. And friend, in any matrix given, in that matrix, horizontal lines are called rows and vertical lines are called columns. Consider this is a first horizontal line, so that you can say here first row. This is second horizontal line, so that you can say, friend, second row. And this is, friend, third row. And similarly here, friend, this is your mth row. One more time telling you, friend, in any matrix, horizontal lines are called rows and vertical lines are called columns. Means, friend, this is a first column, so you can say, first column, and this is your second column, and this is your third. Means you can say horizontal lines are called rows and vertical lines are called columns. Again, I am repeating, please don't read this A11, A12, because any element you are taking with two subscript, means first number shows that row and second number shows that column. And after this, friend, one more thing I want to tell you, means consider this matrix has how many rows. Consider this is first row, second row, third row, this is nth row, and this is first column, second column, third column, and this is nth column. First of all, you can denote row, and second time you can denote column. It means order of this matrix m by n. Actually, friend, in these days weather is not good, so that my throat is not working well, but I am making video because I am thinking I will make video for you. And friend, any matrix having m rows and n column, then you can say order of that matrix. Means, friend, order of the matrix, you can say order of the matrix, students, order of the matrix m by n. And instead consider this matrix given. This matrix has only one row. Consider 2, 3, 4. Then this has one row and 3 columns. Then you can say order of this matrix 1 by 3. Consider this is another matrix. Here given 4, 5, 6. Then this matrix has 3 rows and 1 column. Then order of this matrix 3 by 1. Anyway, this type matrix given student. Consider 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 4. Order of this matrix you can say student 3 by 3. Actually this matrix having 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 rows and 3 columns, so that you can say 3 by 3 matrix. Anyway, this type matrix also possible. Consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means order this matrix 2 by 3. Order of this matrix 2 by 3 because it has 2 rows and 3 columns. Means student, anywhere any question given, easily you can solve. But student, you should try to solve the question carefully. Means first of all, what is matrix, and after this what the order of the matrix. After this student, one more thing I want to tell you, means types of matrices. Means student, whenever you go into types of matrices, in any matrix, whenever any row is given, then you can say row matrix. And whenever any column is given, then you can say column matrix. A matrix means number of rows and number of columns are equal. Then you can say square matrix. Now I want to discuss here student types of matrices. Means student here types of matrices. Types of matrices. Number 1 I want to discuss here student row matrix. Row matrix means student here whenever any matrix has any single row, a matrix having only one row is called row matrix. Means student a matrix having only one row is called row matrix. मतलब इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, any matrix having only one row you can say row matrix. Consider this is a matrix A is equal to 5, 6, 7. This matrix has only one row, then you can say student this is a row matrix. And order of this matrix student 1 by you can say 3. In this way you can find row matrix. After this student I want to tell you one more thing student here कि जैसे suppose column matrix, then for column matrix what we'll do here, number 2 here student column matrix. Then student you can write here column matrix. Means student one more time I am telling you, a matrix having only one column means you can write here student a matrix having only one column. Only one column is called student column matrix. तो हम उसको क्या बोलेंगे, column matrix you can say. ऐसा matrix जिसमें केवल एक ही column होता है. Means student consider this is a matrix B and this matrix has 4, 5, 6. This matrix has only matrix B only one column. Then order of this you can write as student 3 by 1. देखिए फिर से मैं बता रहा हूँ, a matrix having only one row is called row matrix. A matrix having only one column you can say column matrix. After this I want to tell you, means number 3 I want to tell you square matrix. So what is square matrix? तो square matrix is also very easy. तो square matrix के केस में होता क्या है, student whenever in any matrix whenever number of rows is equal to number of columns. अगर किसी matrix में number of rows and number of columns are equal, you can say square matrix. मतलब a matrix having equal number of rows and columns. A matrix having equal number of rows and columns. Equal number of rows and columns. Equal number of rows and columns is called you can say square matrix. Again I am telling you student, ऐसा matrix जिसमें number of rows and number of columns are equal. A matrix having equal number of rows and columns is called a square matrix. Means student, I am telling you, consider you are making this matrix, consider you are taking this, consider 1 you are taking, तो ये this is a 1 by 1 square matrix. Consider you are giving example of this 4 5 6 7. This matrix has 2 rows and 2 columns. Order of this matrix 2 by 2. This is a square matrix. Consider matrix C equal to 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and you can say here is 12. This matrix has 3 rows and 3 columns, so that you can say student, this is a square matrix. Whenever number of rows and number of columns are equal, you can say square matrix. अब देखिए कभी कभी क्या होता है, I want to explain you student diagonal matrix. In case of diagonal matrix, what we'll do here, देखिए सबसे पहले I want to tell you कि what is diagonal matrix. तो देखिए होता क्या है कि means जब भी आप diagonal matrix की बात करेंगे, then I want to discuss here principal diagonal. What is principal diagonal? Principal diagonal means whenever you will take top element left of the top and right of the bottom and you should join, that is called principal diagonal. मतलब सबसे पहले क्या है कि I want to discuss here diagonal matrix. In case of diagonal matrix, I want to tell you friends, consider here. Consider this matrix given here. Matrix 5 6 7 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. अब देखिए what is principal diagonal. In this matrix, what will be here spent? Principal diagonal. तो होता क्या है? Means I am telling you spend, whenever you will take top of the left element and bottom of the right element and you should join, ये देखिए top of the left, you should join. This is called principal diagonal. This is here principal diagonal. तो अब देखिए क्या है कि whenever I want to explain you diagonal matrix, तो इस a square matrix, square का मतलब सीधा सीधा है a matrix having equal number of rows and columns. A square matrix whose all the non-diagonal elements are 0 is called a square matrix. Again I am repeating student here, a square matrix whose all the non-diagonal elements are 0. फिर से देख लीजिएगा, a square matrix whose all the non-diagonal elements are 0 is called diagonal matrix. You can say students diagonal matrix. ऐसा matrix, consider this matrix I am taking here 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. This is a diagonal matrix. You know what is the reason behind this? अब इसका जो मेन डायगोनल है, अगर आपका देखिए सपोज ये 5 है, ये 6 है एंड दिस इज ये 7. whenever all elements of principal diagonal is different, whenever all elements of principal diagonal is different and now non-diagonal elements are 0, then you can say diagonal matrix. Again I am repeating, in any matrix whenever all elements of principal diagonal are different and non-diagonal elements are 0. अब देखिए क्या है, this is a principal diagonal. In this, these elements are different, non-diagonal elements are 0. Then you can say diagonal matrix. इसी तरीके से suppose scalar. तो what is difference in scalar matrix? तो scalar matrix में कुछ नहीं होता है. A square matrix whose all non-diagonal elements are 0 and all elements of main principal diagonal are same, then you can say scalar matrix. Consider this is a square matrix and I am taking here 6 6 6, all elements of principal diagonal this. Non-diagonal elements are, you can say 0. Then you can say this is a scalar matrix. Again I am repeating. A square matrix whose all elements of principal diagonal are same and non-diagonal elements are 0. Square matrix means order, what is 3 by 3. Here also order 3 by 3. After this, friend, I want to discuss here identity matrix. What is identity matrix? So in case of identity matrix, means you should denote the identity matrix by the letter I. Always you should denote the identity letter by the letter I. देखिए what a difference in diagonal matrix, scalar matrix and identity matrix. देखिए in case of identity matrix always denoted by 1. देखिए from this example you can understand, means इसमें here whenever all elements of principal diagonal are 1. देखिए इसमें क्या है, principal diagonal, whenever all elements of principal diagonal 1, non-diagonal elements are 0. You can say without any hesitation identity matrix of order 3 by 3. Means whenever all elements of principal diagonal are 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. Already आपको पता है this is a principal diagonal, this is not a principal diagonal. I am repeating. Whenever all elements of principal diagonal are 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0, then you can say identity matrix. It has order 3 by 3. So sometimes some are writing I3 also. And anywhere I2 given, it means order 2 by 2. Then you can write 1 0 0 1. Anywhere only I1 given, it means single elements you can write here 1. In case of identity matrix, then already spent. One more time repeating. Whenever all elements of principal diagonal, main principal diagonal are 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0, then you can say identity matrix, and you should at some time you can say unit matrix also. कभी कभी क्या होता है identity, in some books what is given unit matrix also, then also is meant same. Anyway given unit matrix, then also same, no problem. After this one I want to tell you means null matrix or you can say zero matrix. देखिए null matrix जैसा कि name is very very easy. Null matrix or you can say zero matrix. A matrix whose means I can say here friends null matrix or I can say zero matrix. Null matrix or I can say zero matrix. तो इसमें देखिए होता क्या है, a matrix whose all elements are 0. A matrix whose all the elements are 0 means here a matrix whose all elements are 0. A matrix whose all elements are 0 is called a zero matrix. What is here spelled? Zero matrix. It is denoted by spells bigger 0. Means size of this 0 must be bigger. Means consider this is a zero matrix of order 2 by 2. You can write in this way 0 0 0 order 2 by 2. This is also zero matrix order 3 by 3. 0 0 0 0 0 0. Its order is spends 3 by 3. A matrix whose all elements are 0, you can say zero matrix. After this friend I want to tell you equal matrices. तो equal matrices क्या होता है friend? देखिए two matrices are said to be equal. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if their orders are same. Number 1, their orders are same. Number 2, their corresponding elements are equal. Means this friend here equal matrices means here spent two matrices are said to be equal if number 1 if their order is same, if their order is same. Second, number 1, their order is same. Second, their corresponding elements are equal. Means student number 1, देखिए मैंने पहले बताया कि टू मैट्रिसेस आर सेड टू बी इक्वल इफ देयर ऑर्डर्स आर सेम. अगर उनके ऑर्डर्स हैं तो क्या होंगे बेटा ये? मींस ऑर्डर्स आर सेम. शायद यहां पर कुछ मैंने कुछ गड़बड़ किया था. मींस स्टूडेंट हियर देयर ऑर्डर्स आर सेम. सेकंड, देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स आर इक्वल. देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स आर इक्वल. Their corresponding elements are equal. Elements are equal. Means student consider matrix A equal to given here x11, y11, z11 and r11. Matrix B equal to here a11, b11, c11 and you can say d11. These two matrices are equal. First of all, what will you check? First of all, you can check order of these two matrices same. If order of these matrices same, means consider order of this matrix is 2 by 2 and order of this matrix also spent here. Order of this matrix 2 by 2 and order of this matrix also 2 by 2. Matrix A is equal to matrix B. First of all, order must be same and x11 is equal to a11. y11 is equal to b11, z11 is equal to c11 and r11 is equal to d11. मैंने आपसे ऑलरेडी बताया था कि anywhere two subscript given, consider a11 given. 11 what is? 11 shows that position of the element. a11 means spent anywhere given. a11 means element lies in first row and first column. Anywhere given a13, it means anywhere element lies in first row and second column. a13 means element lies in first row and third column. Means first number shows that row and second number shows that column. And after this I will explain you spend addition, subtraction and multiplication of two matrices. Okay.